Today we're testing two pieces of equipment, Shining 3D's iOS scanner and their corresponding face scanner. Why? Because we want to bring you something awesome. As you may know, Shining 3D has a long history of dental scanning, first with benchtop scanners, then iOS, and now face scanners. Today we're going to scan a mouth, and then we're going to scan a face and watch how their software automatically blends the two. Their face scanner, in our opinion, is the best we've seen on the market. Some face scanners are bulky, they have a strobe light that's blinding, they don't capture facial hair or other hair, and they are overall tedious to work with. The Shining 3D face scanner is simple, extremely accurate, gives a lifelike appearance, and, well, we love it.